Hey, this is John Young. Today we're looking at the Ryobi. This is the new one here. What half-inch cordless drill. This is the model number. This is PBL HM101. This is the first one in the Ryobi line that has 100 inch-pounds of torque. Now, some drills talk about torque in inch-pounds. Some talk about something else. This particular one reaches 750, which is what's needed to run this. This is a KDrill, an ice auger. We're standing out here in the middle of a lake, and we're going to do a demonstration. What we're going to do, though, is to do this with 4 different batteries. We have got the 4 different, these are the high-performance batteries here from Ryobi. We've got the 2, 4, 6, and 9 amp hour. And we're going to go through and drill a hole with each one so you guys can compare and see if there is a difference when it comes to a hard task, a difference between the batteries and their amp hour. So we're going to get things set up and get going. We're going to start with our first, these are high performance batteries here. This is, so you're going to make sure this is on low. There's a high and a low on this. Okay, so this will be the 2 amp hour battery here from Ryobi on our half-inch drill. There we go, we finally broke through. That is the 2 amp hour battery. Next, we're going to up our game to a 4 amp hour battery. Still the same high performance battery. It's just we've gone up and it has, instead of 18, I think it goes from 36 watts to a 72 watts. Let's see if this does a little bit different. Okay, it made it through. Definitely a lot of difference there. And that was the 4 amp hour. Well, I got him on the line. 6 amp hour. That would have only stalled out just as we got to the point of breaking through the ice. So let's do the 6 amp hour. There, got through. So the 6 amp hour got us down, and just as it was about ready to break through to get to the bottom, that's when it paused. Very similar to the 4 amp hour. Finally, again, high performance batteries. This is in the high performance HP series with this drill. So the 2, in theory, should be talking to each other to get the most run possible. This is the 9 amp hour. Let's see what it does. And there we're through. Once you get to the bottom of the ice is a little bit uneven. You never have it really super smooth. I mean, it can be fairly, but there could be some anomalies under there. And we might have hit another hole. I don't think so. I looked really carefully. But when we get to the bottom and it has to break through, that's when we hung up with the last 3. 4 amp hour might have been in a little bit different spot, and it kind of went through smoother. But otherwise, The 3 bigger batteries, 4, 6, and 9 amp hour, took us all the way down without any hesitation. The 2 amp hour, as you saw, it paused all the way down. So if you're going to be using your tools and you're going to be under duress, getting a bigger battery on it is certainly a good idea. For those of you out there who are telling me that that was the case, you are right. I didn't think it made that much of a difference, but again, we weren't using these things as hard as we just did this drill. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your feedback in the comments section. We'll catch you next time.